Guys, it's Jem from Rustic Rehabs. It's a Monday and I'm gonna run in and do my Goodwill shopping. I'm gonna try to be really picky because I have an overstock of projects. So I have a lot of smalls. I'll show you a picture of my room of projects that I just never even get to, because we're gonna be cleaning that out and selling a bunch of these project pieces at our rummage sale on the 24th, which is a Saturday at our community rummage. We're calling it Clear Out and Cash In. So I hope I inspire you to do the same. Now let's go find some good stuff. That's not gonna be too much work, but still a good amount of fun. I definitely don't need a basketball hoop, but I was kind of surprised to see this there. So you just never know what you're gonna find. I don't think I have room for these kind of ficus plants, but this was not a bad price. Do you think I should have grabbed them to brighten up the space? I had several of these little Tykes coops. Have you had one too? Drop me a comment and let me know. I bet almost all of us have had one at some point. This art intrigued me, but I was not intrigued by the price. I think it was either $14.99, $12.99. It was much more than they have been pricing things. So I'm gonna be patient and see if I can find something else. These are a lot of work. I'm not surprised somebody donated it to the Goodwill. So somebody will get a good find by picking this up. I left it, even though I was tempted to buy it. I did pick up this home sign and it doesn't really even need any work. It was $5, and for me, I'm gonna sell it for $24.99. This flamingo one will be $19.99 and it's signed by the maker. This I already gave a little updated paint job for and it's $9.99. I expect this peony floral canvas to go fast. It's new, it was $5, so that's an awesome price. We can 5 times that easily. This little cow, I think I made $14.99. The shoes, these are totally me. I wear Chucks all the time and I need to remind myself to slow down. This little guy already sold for $19.99. Some of you may be thinking, well, you're not doing anything to some of this stuff. You're right, I can't possibly keep up, but yet my customers want these products. So I still keep picking up what I know will sell. And isn't that really the name of the game when you're an upcycler? Find the good things, fix it a little bit, and get it to the people who want it. In here, I'm looking for unique items, some Christmas stuff that I can't live without. I already have one of these where I stuck a bottle in it, and this little guy will go away for next spring. Look how cute it is with the bottle in it. So I have 2 of these, and they'd be perfect to pop some tulips in or whatever, the flowers you pick out of your garden, just to keep it somewhere and keep it looking fresh and springy. You could also put a transfer on the back of that tin. It would look really cute with that. These bears for $5. I mean, come on, how cute for winter time. That's the kind of stuff I'm looking for. Very unique items that will stand out and get attention. Okay, this all day long reminds me of working at either the Cabaret or Q's quarters, and we would use those little things for butter. Who has used these for restaurants where you take an ice cream scoop and you scoop the butter? I mean, really, it's so funny to me now. This little guy I did not get. What is this? Is this a mail holder? Should I have picked that up? So not only do I buy at the Goodwill, I donate to the Goodwill, and here's some proof. These little shelves, or what do you call them, tiny corbels, I donated those, and they're still sitting there. This turkey nutcracker, I put him back. Should I have got him? He's kind of cute. This basket was just put on the floor when I was in this aisle, and I would like some points for not picking it up because it was cute. This, I added some florals to it. I felt like it just needed a little something, but I really like the message, and I think it's a very sweet kind of farmhouse vibe. The duck or goose, whichever this is, I almost bought it, but I wasn't quite sure what I would do with it. What would you do with this guy? This little tin cross I thought was very sweet. It looks like it's new too. It's on the website for $19.99. If you see something that sets your heart aflutter, you can visit rusticrehabs.com, and I thank you for your support. These birds, I have a plan to put them on an old door, but my neighbor saw them in my little video that I did on Tuesday, and she wants them, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. I thought I had a plan, but plans change, my friends. So Katie likes these the way they are. We will get in contact with her and get those to her. Then look at these fishing signs. One of them was broken, so we needed to clamp and glue it, go on fishing. And look at this, M is for mom, not maid. I think every house deserves one of these. This was cute, but not that original and too much for resale. This was $5, and I think it's gonna sell fast at like 15. People love crows. I did not buy the fake blood though. Should I have bought the fake blood? Seems pretty weird. And yes, the bunny is still here. She was sort of buried, so I thought she was gone, but nope, still here. Mistletoe Lane, this will be great for Christmas with some greenery in it and candles. This lights up with this little Christmas scene in it. I thought this was adorable. I think it was $6. This piece box also would look great with some Christmas greenery in it, some fairy lights. It's just a really, really solid little piece to dress up the shop at that time of year. This was a very cool hand-thrown picture. I think it was like $7, but I decided I did not need it today. It was a busy week. The gals helped me celebrate my birthday, and you guys came out big for me for my sale. We had a paint class for some stepping stones, and we released a 8-pack sampler mixology set, and I've got a class on 5/31 to use Debbie's subscription box from the DIY paint company. So check those things out. Those are all very limited quantities that I'm trying something new to see if you want some of the DIY things right from Debbie. We've got a busy week coming up with our rummage sale on the 24th, so pray for some good weather for us and come on out and visit. It's also Memorial Fest, which is going to have a whole bunch of vendors and food and bands, and it's bound to be a good time. It was my birthday month, so I used my 15% off. I had a $5 off and had like $8 in rewards. So I got all this for $73, which is a steal. Thanks for watching, and please share this video. I also did a reel about all my flipping and all the fun I have. Take good care. See you next time.